Hello friends, I am Sonal Agrawal. Currently I am pursuing my PhD degree from ABB IIIT Gwalior. My research interest include semiconductor device modeling, nanoelectronic devices and nanoscale interconnects. I am here to demonstrate a simple p-n junction diode in Octave. Octave is an open source software and it is freely available. In Octave there are 4 windows and this is Octave GUI, graphical user interface. And then 4 windows. So first is workspace you define variable, then this will display the variables you define or display here. Then is command history, and here is command window. In command window you will give your commands. Then here your editor where you write your script. For for opening new script, for you have to write file new script. Then new script is open with unnamed. I have already saved my script, so this is simple diode to this. uh, for this here there are 3 commands initially. For one is CLC is for clear command window. Then clear of all for clearing all the variables which are previously defined like A and B. Then close all is for closing all the previously graphed windows that is open in so in the Octave. So first I will explain these 3 commands. So I have to open a command window, and then I have to write CLC is for clear command window. If I write CLC, then all the command window is clear. So CLC, after CLC command window is clear, then clear all for clearing all the variables. So I have typed clear all, then all the variables in the workspace will be clear. So clear, after clear all, then close all will close all the graph window, but I have not opened any graph window, so I don't require this command. I have jump to my simple diode model. So in the simple diode, the current equation is I equals to I naught e to the power QV by KT, where Q is electron charge, V is applied voltage, K is Boltzmann constant, which is 1.338 into 10 to the power minus 23. Q is electron charge, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And a saturation current in the case of p-n junction diode have a typical value of 1 into 10 to the minus 12. Then T naught is the temperature, which I defined as 0 degree centigrade, or you can say 273 degree Kelvin. Then I have defined applied voltage in the range 0.45 to zero point 0.8 with the difference of 0.01. Then I have defined current where I is total current equals to I saturation into exponential QV by KT. So for plotting in the MATLAB, you have to plot, then x-axis, then y-axis, then this R denote the color of your plot. If I want to plot my voltage on the x-axis, so I write V, then y current on y-axis, then I have to write I, then R for my plot will be in red color. And then I have to define axis. For x-axis I have defined voltage range in 0.45 to 0.8 volt, and for y-axis I have defined current range 0 to 10. Then for title I have to write TITLE, title, in single quotes. If I write something in single quote, it will print as it is. Then I have to write x label voltage, x because my on x-axis I am using voltage. Then y label current, current is in ampere, volt is in volt. So for running this script I have to click on run, then save file and run. If I have not saved any file, I have already saved, so this will display directly this will display graph. If I'm not saved already, then it will pop up a window to save a file. Then my plot is IB characterizes of diode. Then this is the current is on y-axis and voltage on axis, and I have titled this diode IB characterizes. So this is the model for the p-n junction device model. Okay, thank you.